Oh, hi, I'm Roxette Arisa. I've been doing makeup since I was 4 years old as a competitive figure skater. After 20 years, I guess you could say I cut ice like I cut crease. I love a full glam, but soon you'll see I'm the most down-to-earth person you'll ever meet.
Howdy, y'all. I'm Lynette Cenée, daughter of world-traveling magicians and wife to quite the sexy musician. And for the record, I've been rocking these desert boho vibes way before Coachella was a thing.
Hi, I'm Madelynn, and I like to film stuff.
Oh, hi, my name is Sarian. I'm a professional working makeup artist who enjoys the finer things in life, like tattoos or smoky eye. My motto is quite simple. It's just makeup. It washes off.
Hi, I'm Madison Miller. I grew up as a tomboy that fell in love with glam. I'm now a mommy-to-be. When I'm not updating everyone on the latest beauty trends, you can catch me playing video games.
Xin chào, my name is Jessica Vu, and I'm IPSY's newest creator. From watching makeup tutorials at age 9 to making my own at 18, I aspire to inspire the next generation of makeup lovers.
Oh hey, my name is Micaela. I eat KFC 8 out of 10 times a week and have poor circulation in my feet. RuPaul is my idol, and my motto is, the more drive, the better.
Oh, hi everyone. My name is Gabriel Zamora, and I'm IPSY's first male creator. I put tahini on everything and DM with Kim Kardashian every now and then. I used to have blue hair, I'm still bronzed, and now I'm living a purple fantasy.
We may be different, but we've got a lot of things in common. We all love makeup, beauty, self-expression, and telling stories. And we're all...
IPSY creators!